In this video, I'll show you how to add friends using the Purp app, a social app similar to Tinder, but made specifically for finding and connecting with new friends. Once you open the app, you'll be shown profiles of other users. To send a friend request, simply swipe right on the person you'd like to connect with. If you're not interested, just swipe left to skip. It's that simple. Swipe right to add, swipe left to pass. When someone you swiped right on also swipes right on you, it creates a match, and that person will receive a friend request notification. They can then go to the Friends tab to see and manage their friend requests. Once they tap Accept, both of you will be added to each other's friend list. After you've connected, a chat icon will appear. All your conversations will be stored in the Chats tab located at the bottom right corner of the app, so you can start messaging each other immediately. There's also an option to filter who you want to see, although that might depend on your region or app version. These filters help you connect with people who share your interests or location. And that's it. Now you know how to use Purp to make new friends with just a swipe. Give it a try and start building your social circle today. Thanks for watching.